Hi my dear friends and family. Very happy Independence to all my dear friends and family. Thank you so much.
The teachers to come for the photos. The first will be saffron, white and green.
Hi, happy Independence Day.
Same to you. Happy Independence Day. Small camera, sir. Small camera.
Happy Independence Day.
Same to you, sir. Blogger, sir. Sir, sir. Blogger, sir. Name, sir.
It's foodchatv. Yeah. Hey, beta, come in late. They told you.
Happy Independence. Happy
Thank
Independence.
you.
Sir, show this camera, sir.
See.
Bro, you're waiting, bro. Happy, bro.
To the left.
To begin this day orderly, let us first invoke the presence of God, the creator of the whole world, through a beautiful invocation song.
National salute, salute. Order. National anthem, begin.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष माने गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you.
फूल की चीज है तेरे कदम मेरे अपने सरों की चला जाएंगे
मेरा जूता है जापानी मैं इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपीरों से फिर भी है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी मैं इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपीरों से फिर भी है हिंदुस्तानी
Hi, Jai Hind.
Wonderful colors. The colors of the tri flag. With all these freedom fighters up on the stage.
Parents, please.
Today we celebrate the 76th anniversary of the country's independence. 77 years have gone by, and we still thought patterns upon this country which tends to divide people among so many lines. We need to be one, in spite of our many varieties, in spite of our diversities, in spite of our different colors and languages and culture. Every citizen must be able to say to each other, it is Jai for each one of us. It's Jai for each citizen, for the lowest to the highest, the smallest to the young, to the youngest to the oldest. Everyone must celebrate this beautiful day, saying, it's just not Bharat Mata ki Jai, it is my sister ki Jai, my brother ki Jai, and all the citizens ki Jai, and that is the beauty of this country. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki, Bolo Bharat Mata ki, और जोर से बोलो भाई, बोलो भारत माता की. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your valuable words. Opportunity to thank the chief guest of the day, Reverend Father Arogya Sami, the parish priest of St. Francis Xavier Cathedral, Reverend Father Maria Selvan, the manager and correspondent of St. Anthony's Boys School, Reverend Father Amarnath Dinesh